Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako, si Chari, para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Taurus at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung ating mababasa para po sa buwan ng Pebrero. At binabati ko po kayo ng advance happy Valentine's Day. Okay? Guided steps to great love. Wow. Follow the path of ascension. Okay, so it has something to do sa yung sinasabi nila kasi dito ascension is yung pag-angat, no? It's more of something very highly spiritual. It says your tease. The energy is fun and highly light-hearted but uncertain. So, yung tipong medyo hindi ka pa sure dito. And then, twin flame recognition. You know this soul that mirrors your own. Okay? So, may twin flame dito na sinasabi, Taurus. Okay, so yung it might be something to do with yung ascension na sinasabi ko dito is very much related dito sa twin flame recognition. Okay? Kasi nga highly spiritual yung ascension na tinatawag. Yung pag-angat na yan. Yung sinasabi nilang you go through ascension kapag aware ka na, no? You're more or less aware na itong person na to is really your twin flame. Naiintindihan mo yung ano yung twin flame, kung ano yung pinagdaanan nyo, o yung pagdadaanan nyo, mga ganong scenario. This is really something na napaka-special for me, no? At least kasi hindi lahat kasi relate sa twin flame, at saka hindi nila, or maybe some doesn't believe, or maybe na-i-experience ito. But twin flame kasi is yung sinabi nila na kahati ito ng iyong kaluluwa. Well, basically there's only one soul at hinati ito ni God into two, and then ang nangyari dyan is each lifetime, no, yung bawat buhay na naandun silang, yung dalawang kaluluwa na yan, na reincarnate sa bawat buhay na yan, one way or the other, nagmi-meet sila, no? Unexpectedly nagmi-meet. Kasi to test ba kung ito na yung timing o ito na yung pagkakataon na kailangan na nila magsama, no? To be in union na tinatawag nila. Pero minsan hindi nangyayari yun kasi nga meron pang mga bagay na kailangan matutunan dito sa buhay na ito. At kung yung person mo, yung ka-twin flame mo, hindi siya ganun ka-aware sa nangyayari, that means yung union might happen sa susunod na lifetime pa. So, tumatagal yung proseso, no? Life after life. Parang ganun yung sinasabi dito. Kaya yung ascension, part of the ascension, Kaya nga guided steps to great love. It is one of the great love talaga na makita mo yung twin flame mo kasi this is you, no? Ikaw to eh. You mirror each other. Nanggaling nga kasi yung kalahati ng kaluluwa na yun from you. Sa iyo rin nanggaling. Kaya kung ano ka, ganun din siya. Kaya nga sinasabi, you mirror each other. Pareho kayo halos. O yung similarity, ang lakas, ang doon. Okay? If more or less you're going through this kind of experience or situation right now, then this reading is for you, no? Yung mga ibang Taurus natin. Kasi sabi ko nga, hindi lahat would go through this experience. And then, there is where some of the Taurus are having this particular situation right now na yung tipong nanga-attract lang. Kasi it says here, tease. No, yung masaya, no? You enjoy each other's company and basically hindi pa ganun talagang ka-serious yung relationship nyo. Ando kayo sa stage na parang wala lang, chill lang tayong dalawa. Tignan natin kung saan ito patungo. Nothing serious. Very light-hearted nga eh. More or less, it's really for the idea of having a companion, having fun, sharing things with somebody you feel that you really like and you feel close to, but not to a point of getting into a very serious thoughts and feelings na ito na, nagpaplano na ako for marriage. Hindi pa ganon, no? Ito yung mababaw na relationship pa lang. Okay? So, take it as it resonates, Taurus, kung saan kayo dito. Okay? Now, tignan natin sa tarot kung ano yung makukuha nating message. Ano yung kailangan nyo malaman? We have the 10 of Wands, the 4 of Swords, the King of Coins, the 8 of Wands, and the Death card. Bottom niya is the Page of Coins. Okay, Taurus, Page of Coins this is a message na there is an offer, no? This message is supposed to present itself na nag-i-start na ako maging seryoso sa'yo. Since this is a page, kung ba parang early stages pa lang ito ng relationship, pero pumapasok na sa isipan ng person na parang ito na yung gusto kong makasama ng matagal-tagal. Okay? Oops. And with the 9 of Cups, nararamdaman ko na magiging wish ko to eh. Kung ba meron akong pinagdasal noon o meron akong winish, this might be the person. Kasi parang, in a way, this person is, is clicking all the boxes na gusto ko. Yung mga hinahanap ko, kahit papano, no, nakikita ko sa kanya. And I feel na with this person, na things will be okay. No? Things will be balanced between the two of us. Merong equality, may compromise. No? And I could see myself being with this person na for a long time, which might lead to marriage. Okay? With the Justice card. So you might be dealing with a Libra. Okay? And if that would happen, of course, I will be very happy kasi this is the 10 of Cups. No? Talagang magiging maligaya ako kung makikita ko yun. I mean, sabihin, matutuloy nga itong naiisip ko na ngayon na this person would eventually be the one for me. Okay, so ando nga kasi kayo sa stage na parang tinitignan mo pa lang, no? Tinitimpla-timpla mo pa lang yung relationship mo kung ito na nga yung tao. But more or less, bubuo na sa isip mo na baka ito na nga yung tao na to. Okay? Now, yung first card mo dito is the Ten of Wands. Yung nakaraan, no, your past, hindi siya naging madali. Maybe your ex o yung naging dating relationship mo, mabigat. No? Talagang punong-puno ng problema, issue. In other words, hindi ka masaya. Hindi ka masaya dito sa relationship na to. Kaya parang na-decide mo na tama na, ayoko na ng ganito. It's time for me to move forward. You know? Yung kung ba i-unload ko na yung sarili ko, bawasan ko yung sarili ko ng mga problema o alalahanin o sakit sa damdamin. Kaya I will, look for another one. Basically, look for another one. Kasi itong Ten of Wands is really parang inaalis mo yung ano na yun yung pakiramdam na ayaw mo nang nahihirapan na. No? You're trying to unburden yourself. Binababa mo na tong dala-dala mo na in a way you're trying to say na give up na ako. Ayoko na nitong scenario na to o ayoko na tong sitwasyon na to ngayon na nangyari sa akin. Kaya gusto ko namang makaramdam ng ginhawa. Kaya this relationship didn't really bring any goodness, kung ba, sa'yo, kundi naramdaman mo lang na this is not for me. Hindi para to sa akin. Hindi ito yung tipo ng relationship na hinahanap ko. Kaya naging kung palaisip ba sa'yo, palaisipan sa'yo na ano ba dapat ko pang gawin o ma-achieve or ano ba yung kailangan kong magawa or something na what happened, kasi bakit ganun yung na-experience ko do sa aking previous love. And this is the time na you try to meditate. You try to think and pray and go back na parang iniisip mo na ano ba nangyari talaga? Saan ba ako nagkamali o may pagkakamali ba? And this is the time na sinasabi rin na pahinga ka muna. Huwag ka munang ma-involve. No? Kung gaba pagpahingay mo muna yung puso mo para makarecover agad sa nangyari, sa trauma. Kasi in a way, medyo traumatic to, di ba? Parang nakakadala, kung gaba. Hindi kasi madaling maka-overcome sa isang masakit na relationship, no, in the past. Lalo na kung talagang kahit papano sabihin natin mahal mo yung tao na yon o minahal mo yung tao na yon. Kaya ikaw, no, as an earth sign, no, this is King of Pentacles is an earth sign, which also represents you, Taurus. You want to be something like this, no, yung energy na to, na cool lang, no, calm and collected, stable, secure, focus on other things, no, which is on your resources, no, nagfo-focus ka sa iyong career, sa pera. You're trying to get yourself out of the romance situation muna, yung mga dating situation muna, and mag-focus muna sa sarili, which is good kasi that is a very good way to overcome things na hurtful sa past. A very good way to go to, parang in a way, therapy rin yun no? Na ito'y nakakatulong sa'yo para makalimot nga doon sa nangyari. And also nga, sabi ko nga, that the time to reflect, the time to be thinking, in your quiet nights na kung ano ba nangyari. So that you will be more or less prepared for the next relationship when it comes, no? Pagdating talaga. Now, maybe one of the reason kung bakit things didn't work sa past is something to do with communication or passion, no? Kasi this is once. This is also once. The Eight of Wands is all about back and forth communication, movement, passion, no, action. May galaw, in other words. Maybe yun yung mga bagay na nagkulang tayo o nagkulang yung relationship na to. Hindi na ibigay. For whatever reason, no? Tingnan natin kung lalabas yun mamaya. But this is the intention, is if in case bumalik nga o magkaroon ka ng yung susunod mong relationship, gaba this time, talagang mag-uusap tayo, mag-communicate tayo madalas, papaalam natin na ngayon kung ano yung nararamdaman natin, bibigyan na natin ng panahon, things like that. Kasi ayaw mo yung outcome na pinanggalingan mo na dati, which is nagkaroon ng ending. Okay? This is the Death card. Ito yung sinasabi na nagkaroon ng pagtatapos kasi kailangan may mabago. There needs a transformation to happen. Okay? It could be something na ikaw o yung person mo needs to go through. Nagkataon kayo yung magkarelasyon, kaya syempre affected ka, di ba? Affected kayo pareho. Kasi it is part of your growing up. Yung matutunan mo yun. Ito, the lessons that need to be learned. Kaya huwag kang matakot na having this card, because this is really something very positive. Kung bakit nagtatapos ang isang bagay, yung rason nga niya is kailangan baguhin ka. Yung pagbabago na yun is for the better. Okay? So let's clarify. Ba't andito yung Ten of Wands? We have the Six of Wands, the Three of Coins, the Three of Cups, and the Sun. Now, ano ba yung naging burden? Bakit natapos? Bakit nag-decide ka na kailangan tapusin na natin to? First of all, nagiging burden kasi andun yung idea na o yung kagustuhan natin na maging successful yung relationship. Gusto mo naman talaga, di ba? Kahit naman sino pag pumasok sa isang relasyon, gusto mong mag-work out yun. Diba? Initially, that's what you wanted. Na ma-work out nyo yung relationship. Na magtagal kayo. But somehow, with the Three of Cups, I guess this is more of somebody went over. Kasi ang Three of Cups would mean na you like to party, you like to have a date often, you like drinking a lot, yung ganon, enjoying. And it could also mean like a third party, may third party situation. Okay. This could also mean na baka yung person is not yet that serious pagdating sa'yo. Kasi nga more of yung parang enjoyment lang. No? That's why we have tease. It's more of fun. No? Pag-i-enjoy lang. Very, very light yung dating. Hindi yung nothing serious about it. Kung ba, yung nakikita mo nga na paano mo masasabi magiging o magtatagal kayo if you don't really see any indication na itong tao to ay seryoso sa'yo. Oo, masarap siyang kasama pag yung nagde-date, ganyan, masayahin, but yun lang ba? Siyempre hindi, di ba? You are hoping to, kung ba develop itong relationship to something na magli-lead into marriage. Kaya you want this feeling of success sa relationship na to. Pero kung yung person na yun is not manifesting that, yung pagiging, yung tipong alam mong ito yung taong makakasama mo for the rest of your life, kung hindi niya pinapakita yon, no, wala ka nakikitang hint na ito yung taong ganito, no, eventually hindi yun it's not a wish fulfillment for you. Kung ba parang yung happiness mo, no, yung happiness mo na nakasalalay mababago. Though we have the sun, you wanted to stay positive about this. You might be dealing with a Leo, Taurus. Kaso, sabi nga, kung if you don't really see that possibility o yung potential ng tao nito ay magiging serious sa'yo, it affects your happiness. But andito yung Four of Swords. We have the Four of Coins, the Knight of Coins, and the Knight of Cups. Well, yung nagiging, in a way, pwedeng challenge or problem if you have this energy of parang walang galaw, no movement. It's been, kasi nagre-rest ka dito you're really more of taking time thinking about this, but you hold on, no, nag-hope ka pa rin, hindi mo mapakawalan basta-basta tong relationship na to. You're holding on kahit na sabihin natin matagal na itong relationship at wala namang nangyayari, no? Knight of Pentacles, mabagal kasi itong kumilos, no? Yung hindi agad siya yung magpapakita ng any positive or solid offer, yung mga tipong ganon, yung talagang more of yung parang ano lang tayo, kung gaba nasa level 2, ganun lang tayo. Hindi umaangat yung relationship into something na pa-serious ba, walang ganun. Kasi nga ang bagal niya kumilos, hindi mo nakikitaan ng seriousness. Yung serious na sinasabi ko, yung offer of love. Okay? Yung offer ng pagmamahal sa'yo. You're hoping nga na sana mag-offer ng love. Kasi willing ka naman mag-intay basta makita mo lang yung ano na yun. Yung, kung ba, meron siyang sinasabi, meron siyang pinaplano. You're willing to wait. You're willing to see kung saan talaga patungo ito. Pero, kung hindi mo nakikitaan yun. Parang all you can see is, andun lang siya. Andun lang. You know? Hindi mo ma-let go o hindi ka niya ma-let go, pero wala namang movement, walang galaw. Parang ikaw, mag-iisip ka tuloy, di ba? This is parang telling you na parang ayoko muna makipag-relationship kung ganito yung mangyayari. Kasi you're not sure, no? Hindi ito yung type of relationship na hino-hope mo o yung kung gabanin na nurture mo. Ayaw mo nang, hindi yun, no? That's not the one. But andito yung King of Pentacles. We have the Page of Wands, the Knight of Swords, we have the King of Swords, and the Two of Wands. So yung gusto mo talaga is, bakit? Mag-focus sa sarili ko, no? Focus muna ako. Total, hindi ako sure dito sa relationship na to eh. Kaya, maybe that message of passion, something that is really truthful, would give me something to decide on, no? Para magkaroon ako ng tamang desisyon dito sa relationship na to. Kasi, yun naman ang importante, no? Malaman ko yung katotohanan. Malaman ko na maybe at this stage sa relationship namin, kung ito na ba yung, kung ano ba yung plano. May plano ba? Yun ang tanong eh. May plano ba tayo? O may plano ka ba para sa akin? Ano bang plano mo sa relationship natin? Kasi I need to decide. I need to know now kung ano na mangyayari. Itutuloy ko ba to o hindi? Kasi you wanted stability, no? Yun ang hinahanap mo eh. Na you feel secure and you feel stable sa relationship na to. But andito yung Eight of Wands. Andito yung Eight of Wands. We have Judgment. We have the Three of Swords. And the Queen of Wands. You wanted really a lot of communication, back and forth communication. Pag-uusap natin, no? Pag-usap tayo ng masinsinan para malaman na natin ngayon kung saan tayo patungo. Kasi sabi ko nga, we need to make that decision with judgment. It is time to make that decision. Bakit ngayon? Kasi kung gaba parang ayaw mo masaktan eh. Umiiwas ka na sa further na masaktan ka pa sa pagdating ng panahon. Kaya kung gaba parang let's do it now, let's decide kung meron ba patutunguhan itong relationship o wala. No? Because as far as I'm concerned, all I can see is passion. No? Yung fun, having fun. Yes, andun yung attraction ko sa'yo. I'm so attracted to you. Pero I'm looking for something more deeper than that. May hinahanap ako eh. And I need to know the answer so I can make that decision. Okay? Kaya we need to talk. Bakit andito yung Death card? We have the Five of Swords, the Star, and the Six of Swords. Ano ba yung kailangan mabago? There was an ending. Magkakaroon ng ending eh. Kung di pa kayo dito, kung di pa to nangyayari, kung mangyayari pala, magkakaroon ng ending. Okay? Yung ending na nag-iisip ka talaga, no? Pinag-iisipan mo to. Kung ano na yung next move. Kasi, you wanted na matupad yung wish mo. You wanted that wish to come true. Na, of course, na ma-meet mo na yung tao na talagang magiging serious na, no? Magiging serious na yung relationship. O patungo ito sa marriage. In other words, hindi ka na nakikipaglaro. Ang hinahanap mo na is yung talagang the one. No? Kaya, ikaw, you're turning your back, no? With the Six of Swords, and hoping to find yung sinesearch mo, yung gusto mo mangyari, the one that you hoping to fulfill with the Six of Swords energy. Doon ka patungo eh. You want that calmness, yung katahimikan, yung peace, no? Yun yung hinahanap mo sa relationship. So, yun yung gusto mong ma-achieve. Okay? Kaya, tinatalikuran mo to eh. Tinatalikuran mo tong current relationship na to. That is the change that needs to happen. You know? Yung pagbabago na yun. Kung gaba na-realize mo na I wanted somebody na talagang serious na this time with me. Kung hindi ko to nakikita ngayon sa person ko, then it only means that I have to turn my back sa relationship, move forward, and look for that person na talagang magdudulot sa akin ng wish fulfillment ko with the Star. And you might be dealing with an Aquarius, Taurus. So, yung mga zodiac sign na nakikita ko dito is, again, Aquarius, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Of course, yung earth sign, you might be dealing again with another Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, Leo, and water sign din, which is Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. So, more or less, andito naman yung mga majority ng zodiac signs. So, it doesn't really matter. No? I'm just telling you kasi some would really like to know yung mga ganong info. But you will search for this. Yun ang hanap mo eh. No? Yun ang hanap mo. Yun ang gusto mong puntahan, kung gaba, o ma-achieve. Not really just having this energy, no? Ayaw mo ng fun lang. Yung tipong chill lang tayong dalawa. Hindi ganun eh. You want something na more or less malalim, may depth, may seriousness. Okay? Now, ano ba yung hinahanap natin na characteristics ng isang tao na gusto mo? Ito natin. Well, for one, you were saying na mayroon siyang fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus. Meron siya dito sa kanyang chart. mas matanda sa'yo. So, you want somebody na mas mature. And a soulmate. Twin flame, no? Ka-twin flame mo. You want your soulmate. Maputi. You want somebody na medyo healthy or chubby. No? You're not more of yung, kung ba parang feel mo yung, hindi yung payat, hindi yung skinny type. Mahilig mamasyal. So you want somebody na talagang, enjoy traveling. Maybe because you love to travel as well, no? To go around places, adventure, yun yung hinahanap mong characteristics nitong person mo. Now, in terms of timing, natin. Kailan mamimit ni Taurus yung kanyang soulmate? We have a flipping card. It says here, stay positive about it. Not anytime soon. So, hindi pa talaga malapit. Okay? Not anytime soon. So, in other words, hindi agad mangyayari to. But, sabi ko nga, huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. Kaya it says here, stay positive about it. Kasi, kung hindi agad mangyayari, just be positive na dadating siya. Normally nga, yung mga ganitong sitwasyon, it just, out of the blue, bigla siyang dumarating na ito na pala yung person ko. But at least what is important, Taurus, is aware ka na alam mo kung anong gusto mo. You really know what you want. This time, you really know what you want. At hindi ka na pang ano ka lang. Hindi ka lang pang enjoyment ba? Tipong hindi lang fun ang hinahanap mo. You want something leading to a serious relationship. Yun yung hanap mo eh. Kaya nga, lumabas dito to, di ba? Your soulmate. Hindi to lalabas for nothing. Kasi, soulmate normally is the one. No? Ito na. Siya na. Siya na yung makasama ko pang habang buhay. Pang matagalan. Pang tipong tatanda na kami sa isa't isa. Yun yun. Yun yung hinahanap po. That's why we have this energy of the King of Pentacles because you want stability and security. Hindi lang sa pera, kundi pati sa relationship. Okay? So, ano pa unahan na natin? Tignan natin kung ano yung ano pa yung advice. Advice for Taurus. This person will definitely be saying this to you. And it says, I love you. No? Yung tao na to, these are powerful words. Yeah. Definitely. I love you. Yun yung sasabihin niya sa'yo. And I think talaga merong malalim na meaning yan sa'yo. Love is all around you. There is love everywhere all the time. Simply acknowledge this is true. No? Meron naman talagang love all around you, Taurus. I-ano mo lang na, i-acknowledge mo lang na talaga naman totoo to. No? Huwag mong sabing hindi. Meron yan. Maybe hindi ka lang ganun ka-aware. But love is there. And it will happen. This will happen when you least expect it to happen. Okay? Kaya just stay positive. So, maraming salamat, Taurus, sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.